lovely. Leave me, please.
The most interesting thing about Samantha, in my opinion, is that I've tried to combine, but now I've tried to give it intelligence physiologically. So now she responds to how you...
Now, some of you guys might have an idea of how advanced these female pleasure robots are, right? Well, get ready to both be amazed and terrified because some seriously advanced ones have been leaked. That's right, we're talking about robots whose learning level can actually scare you. And don't be fooled by their sleek and sexy exterior, because these robots are not your average toys. They're like something out of a sci-fi movie, with technology that's so advanced, it'll make your head spin. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. Let's start with number 10, Erica. Now, Erica is one of the most advanced android humanoid robots of our time, and she is worth knowing about. First of all, her creator, Hiroshi Ishiguro, is a well-known roboticist and professor at Osaka University in Japan. With the help of his team, he created Erica, which is a perfect combination of artificial intelligence, voice recognition, and facial recognition. Sounds amazing, right? Also, the development process of Erica was nothing short of a wonder. It took over a decade to build and refine her, and the team worked tirelessly to make her as human-like as possible. The team used state-of-the-art technology and software to create her, and they even gave her a unique personality, which makes her stand out from the other robots. But what makes Erica so special? Well, her advanced AI allows her to learn and adapt to her surroundings, making her more human-like every day. She has a sense of humor, can hold conversations, and even recognize people she has met before. Isn't that amazing? Number 9, Alter. Now, this is just another masterpiece from Professor Ishiguro. Now, Alter has a human-like appearance, with realistic facial features and movements. But it's not just about appearances. Alter is designed to interact with humans in a natural way, even responding to emotions and body language. It can understand speech and respond in a conversational manner. It's truly like having a real human conversation. But how did they achieve this level of human-like interaction? Well, Alter is equipped with sophisticated sensors and a neural network that allow it to perceive and respond to its environment in real time. It's designed to learn and adapt to its surroundings, constantly improving its interactions with humans. The more you interact with Alter, the more it learns about yourself and your preferences. It can even recognize faces and remember previous conversations. It's like having a friend that never forgets. Number 8, Nadine. Nadine's creator, Dr. Nadia Thalman, is a computer graphics expert who has been studying and working on virtual humans for more than 3 decades, and she came up with the humanoid bot Nadine. Nadine is not your average robot, folks. She is a humanoid robot with soft skin, flowing hair, and expressive eyes. In fact, her eyes are equipped with cameras that can recognize people's faces and emotions. How cool is that? But it's not just her appearance that's impressive. Nadine is also able to understand and respond to natural language, which means she can have a conversation with humans just like you and me. And get this, she even has a personality of her own. Now that's terrifying. Number 7, Sophia. Sophia was created by Hanson Robotics, a Hong Kong-based company founded by Dr. David Hanson. He is a former Disney Imagineer who has a passion for creating lifelike robots that can interact with humans in a more natural and intuitive way. Sophia is truly a remarkable creation that uses artificial intelligence, facial recognition, and natural language processing to understand and respond to human emotions. She can hold conversations, answer questions, and even make jokes. Her facial expressions are incredibly realistic, and she can even mimic human gestures and movements. But the real magic happens inside Sophia's head. Her brain is powered by a complex network of neural networks, which allows her to learn and adapt to new situations. She is also connected to the cloud, which gives her access to vast amounts of information and allows her to learn from other robots. Now that's something. Number 6, Shalu. Shalu was created by Dr. Vijay Kumar, a brilliant roboticist, and his team of engineers. They spent years developing Shalu to make her one of the most advanced robots of our time. And let me tell you, they did an amazing job. Shalu is designed to look and move like a human being, but with some extra features that make her even more incredible. For example, she has a range of sensors and cameras that allow her to sense and respond to her environment, just like we do. She can even recognize faces and objects objects, and she can communicate with people through natural language. Even though Xiaolu's facial gestures and features aren't that distinct, this bot is indeed a marvel on the side of tech. Number 5. Ada. Hanson Robotics is the team behind Ada, and these guys have dedicated their lives to creating some of the most incredible and realistic robots you'll ever see. But Ada in particular is their shining star. It took years of research, development, and experimentation to get Ada to where she is today. Hanson Robotics used a combination of advanced materials, cutting-edge technology, and its own unique design philosophy to bring Ada to life, and the results speak for themselves. Ada has been featured in countless media outlets, amazed audiences at tech events all over the world, and even given a TED Talk. It's truly amazing to see how far robotics technology has come in recent years, and Ada is definitely one of the most impressive examples out there. Number 4. Mark 1. Ricky Ma, a graphic designer, has always had a fascination with robots, and he made his dream come true by creating Mark 1. This robot is a stunning piece of art made after the actress Scarlett Johansson, and has been in development for over a year. It stands 1.5 meters tall and weighs around 35 kilograms. What makes Mark 1 so special is its advanced facial recognition technology. It can analyze and recognize a person's face and even respond to various expressions. The robot has 70 sensors all over its body which allow it to move its arms, legs, and head with remarkable accuracy. And that's not all. Mark 1 has the ability to speak. Yes, you heard that right. It can converse with people in a friendly tone and even crack jokes. Imagine having a robot buddy to talk to. Cool, eh? Number 3. Jia. Now, Professor Chen Xiaoping from the University of Science and Technology of China, he and his team have worked tirelessly for 3 long years to develop Jia, pouring all their expertise and knowledge into building a humanoid robot that could mimic human emotions and responses. Jia is nothing short of a technological wonder. She can blink, nod, and even move her lips just like a human being. Not only that, she has the ability to recognize faces, hold a conversation, and respond to questions with human-like expressions. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. Jia has an amazing memory, and she can even sing and dance. With her ultra-realistic silicone skin, she looks like a living, breathing person. It's mind-boggling to think about all the technology that went into her creation. Number 2. Asuna. Asuna was created by a Japanese company called A-Lab, and she's truly something out of science fiction. She's designed to look and move like a human with over 200 individual motors that allow her to make incredibly lifelike movements. Her face is made of a special silicone material that feels like real skin, and she even has cameras in her eyes that allow her to recognize faces and track movements. But that's not all. Asuna is also designed to be interactive and engaging. She can hold conversations, respond to questions, and even sing and dance. Her AI is so advanced that she can learn and adapt to new situations, and she can even connect to the internet to access information and resources. Now imagine having her in a lab. Something, eh? A-Lab brought together experts in robotics, artificial intelligence, and human behavior to create a robot that was as lifelike and interactive as possible. They spent years refining and perfecting Asuna's design and functionality, and the result is truly mind-blowing. Number 1. Samantha. Samantha was designed to be an ultra-realistic robot that can mimic human emotions and facial expressions with incredible accuracy. Dr. David Hanson, he's a visionary in the field of robotics, and he's known for his lifelike and expressive robots. But Samantha takes it to a whole new level. Samantha's development was a long and challenging process, but it was all worth it. Her team of developers worked tirelessly to create her silicone skin, which is so realistic that it's almost impossible to tell she's a robot. Her movements are also incredibly fluid, and her AI system is constantly learning and adapting to becoming even more human-like. But that's not all. Samantha has some seriously impressive features. She can recognize faces, hold conversations, and even play games with you. And get this, she can also read and respond to human emotions, which makes her an incredible companion for those who need someone to talk to. That's really sweet. Anyway guys, how do you feel about this? I don't know about you, but my mind is blown. Anyways, do comment what you guys think in the comment section below. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button if you loved today's episode. We'll meet again in another episode. Until then, bye.